Let's solve convert the temperature. We have a value here as a double and it corresponds to the temperature in Celsius. We have to convert it into Kelvin and also Fahrenheit. And then we need to return the two values as an array with two elements. The first one would be the conversion in Kelvin and the second one will be the conversion in Fahrenheit. So this here is our formula for Kelvin and the formula for Fahrenheit. So if you look at my code editor, currently it's empty. It's very simple to solve this challenge. First, you have a return statement because you need to return a vector. Then now I'm having the same type, which is a vector of doubles. And in between the parentheses, I'm going to initialize the values. So I'm going to have two values in the form of an array corresponding to Kelvin and Fahrenheit. The first value here between these curly brackets is going to be the value for the Kelvin conversion. You see that it's Celsius plus 273.15. I have the same thing in my code editor. And the second value is going to be Fahrenheit. So that's the same formula as what they have in the instructions. Let's not forget the semicolon at the end. So that's it for the whole solution. You just have one line as a return statement and you can initialize the vector. So let's run this first. We've passed the two sample test cases, as you can see here. So now I'm going to submit this. And we've passed everything. So that's it for this coding challenge. It was called Convert the Temperature. In the next one, we're going to look at more mathematical algorithms in C++.